Alright, wake up assholes. Got a package here from Midway USA. Not really scoring much ammo lately, but this is something that I've been waiting for since I think the last SHOT Show. I'm not sure. Something that's been back ordered and wasn't able to find it anywhere. So let's pop it open, see what's up. A little bit better of a packing job this time. What I got here is 2 bricks of CCI Quiet 22 semi-auto. These are 45 grainers. As anybody knows, the heavier the bullet, the easier it is for the firearm to cycle. So that's why 45 grain. And to be honest with you, my Smith & Wesson 1522 already cycles CCI Quiet segmented. Does not, for some reason, cycle the lead round nose, but it does cycle, for the most part, the segmented. But definitely excited to try this stuff out. So I picked up 2 bricks to get the free shipping. That's it. That's my first CCI with the new packaging that I really don't care for. But there you go, fuckers. But I'll be doing an ammo test, or range test, whatever the fuck you call it. So stay tuned, fuckers. Till next time, assholes.